Question ng subscriber natin. Ano daw ang mangyayari kapag may abuse of discretion ang labor arbiter? Well, ang labor arbiter, kung merong abuse of discretion sa paggawa niya ng decision, no, o pag-render niya ng decision, ang remedy dyan is to file an appeal, no, kasi walang certiorari kapag galing ka sa decision ng labor arbiter, kasi ang provided na remedy sa mga decision na yan sa 2025 NLRC Rules of Procedure ay appeal sa NLRC Commission. Kasi kung titingnan mo yan na parang certiorari siya, una, baka ma-miss mo yung period, no, to file an appeal, now not 10 calendar days. Kahit na ituring pa na appeal ang certiorari mo, no, kasi nga nagiging wrong remedy siya. Ngayon, kung nag-appeal ka at sa tingin mo may abuse of discretion, isasama mo yan doon sa grounds mo for appeal. Kasi ang appeal, may grounds dyan, no, na serious error, no, or abuse of discretion on the part of the arbiter. Nakalagay naman dyan sa 2025 NLRC rules. Ngayon, kung yung sinasabi mong abuse of discretion ng labor arbiter ay papasok sa Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, no, 3019, RA 3019, then pwede ka magsampa ng kaso sa ombudsman kung may graft na involved. But then again, ang burden of proving, nasa iyo kung ikaw yung nag-allege na merong abuse of discretion sa part ng labor arbiter. Pag sinabi mong grave abuse of discretion, dapat merong capricious, no, whimsical, and arbitrary exercise of judgment on the part of the labor arbiter in a sense that it violates the Constitution or the law. Lagi tinitingnan dyan, para masabi mong may abuse of discretion or may grave abuse of discretion, merong gross and patent misapprehension of facts. Nag-decision si labor arbiter not in accord, no, with substantial evidence or not supported by substantial evidence. Ang pinaka-obvious na klase na example na masasabi natin ay kung halimbawa sinabi ng labor arbiter na merong valid dismissal nung si employee halimbawa ay chinarge ng theft or tinanggal dahil sa theft, tapos sinabi ni labor arbiter valid, samantalang wala namang ebidensya na nagpapakita na may kinuha siya. Kasi 'di ba ang element ng theft merong taking, it involves personal property, tapos without consent of the owner, o in this case the company, tapos with intent to gain, no? So kung hindi naman kumpleto yung ganung elements, hindi nga nakita na may ninakaw siya pero sinabi ni labor arbiter valid ang pagtanggal sa kanya dahil nagnakaw siya, then obviously kung hindi supported by substantial evidence, that constitutes grave abuse of discretion. Pero kung sa labor arbiter ang decision na yan, ang remedy mo na tama dyan is to file an appeal at i-allege mo yung grave abuse of discretion na sinasabi mo. Huwag kang malilito, baka mamaya dumiretso ka ng CA, then mababiolate mo yung exhaustion of administrative remedy na prinsipyo or doctrine ng ating batas, no? So baka maging wrong remedy ka and malose mo yung right to appeal your case. Again guys, if there's anything more, no, na gusto pa ninyo malaman, sa ating topic, let me know in the comment. And again, kung naging useful sa ito, I think share this with all the others na you think will benefit from this information. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next videos. God bless.